Hey guys, I'm Tiffany. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Make sure you subscribe and we can get on with this video. And if you're not, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a get ready with me date night edition. I'm gonna just show you how I do my makeup, my hair, and what I'm wearing today. So if you're interested, make sure you stay tuned. Bye. So I'm starting off by priming my face with the Invisible Undercover Perfecting Coconut Face Primer by Marc Jacobs. This stuff is absolutely amazing. I use it under every foundation that I use, and it's just perfect. I use it all over my face, and yeah. So today I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r foundation, and I am in the color 410. This is my absolute favorite full cover foundation. Like, it really literally makes you look like you have a filter on. If you don't have this, if you never tried it, I suggest you go to Sephora, pick some up, do something. Like, girl, you need this in your life. And the brush I'm using is just a brush from Target. I don't really know what the brand is. I have no idea. It's just my favorite brush ever. I found it in a pack of 2. I don't know. It was like $12 for the set of 2, and it's perfect. Yeah, you need it. Now I'm just taking MAC's Prolongwear Concealer in the color NC40, and I'm using the e.l.f. Small Stipple Brush to blend that out. Now, this is the only brush that I will use with this concealer. If I use another concealer like the LA Girl Pro Concealer, or I think that's what it's called, I would use a sponge to blend this out. But with this matte concealer, I just love this brush to go with it. It's the perfect combination. Now, I'm just going to highlight under my eye, of course, to hide all my bags and dark circles, my forehead, my chin, and my above my cupid's. And I'm just going to switch brushes back to the brush that I used to do my foundation, just to blend out any harsh lines like between the concealer and my foundation. It just makes everything look way more natural, and I'm just going over like all the edges. Just so my foundation and my concealer blend in with each other perfectly. Now I'm gonna bake with the Nye Banana Powder. Like, I don't even need to say much about this. Y'all know. It's perfect. I'm just using this sponge from the dollar store. I get it in a pack of like 50 for $1, and I love these. I love them. Okay, this is the perfect thing to apply this powder with. You don't have to wet it. You don't have to do anything. You don't got to be too bougie. Just throw that powder on there, sis. Now I'm highlighting all the areas that I applied the concealer to, and then I'm also going to add this powder under where I'm going to put my concealer color, as you can see I'm doing right here. This just makes the concealer, sorry, not the concealer, the contour way more defined without making it look like drag queenish. Like, it's not going to be too harsh, but it's going to make it a lot more defined. And don't laugh at my packaging, but I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette, and I'm just going to use the darkest color in there. And I am going to use my e.l.f. contour brush. I swear by this stuff. I swear by this brush. It's just perfect. Like, absolutely perfect. And I'm going to use the same brush for my nose, for my forehead, for my cheeks, for under my chin, everywhere. And I am going to blend for my life, darling. Blending for my mother in life. Now, once I'm done with that, I'm just going to use the CoverGirl True Blend Pressed Powder in the color number 6. And I'm going to go in with an e.l.f. powder brush to apply that, as well as sweep away all of the banana powder. So I'm basically using that powder to sweep away the banana powder and, you know, set everywhere. And I'm just going to go back in with that same contour color just to deepen and define my contour. And I'm going to spray my face with MAC's Fix Plus. We're not done yet, but I like to do that in the middle of my, routine. And I'm just going to sharpen up my eyebrows a little bit because they were halfway done when I started this. But I like to go back in and make sure that they're all defined and perfect. So I'm just lining my eyes with the L'Oreal Silkissemme liner. This stuff goes on like butter. It's so easy to line your eyes with, and I'm just going to do that to my top waterline. And then I'm going to go in with the NYX Matte Liquid Eyeliner. It's so easy to create a wing with this, and if you mess up, it's so easy to just clean. As you can see, I kind of messed up there, but I was able to fix it. I 100% recommend using a handheld mirror when you're doing winged eyeliner. It just makes it so much easier. It simplifies the process, and this eyeliner is the eyeliner that you need to be using to make your wing. Okay, sis? Trust me when I say. Now my camera cut off, but right back into the process. We're going to be using the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed Powder in Topaz, and I'm going to be applying that with an e.l.f. brush. All I did when my camera cut off, guys, I promise, is just straighten my hair a little bit, comb it out, and change my clothes. I was getting ready for an actual date, and I needed to not waste time. Now I am going in with the Bobbi Brown Bronze Glow Highlighting Powder. I swear by this stuff, and I love to double highlight. Like, I love double highlighting. It's a must. You gotta do it. And you can see here, I'm just going back in with the brush. I'm not using any actual more product. I'm just using the brush. And I am applying the St. Clair Lashes by Different Type of Dope. Shameless plug. These are one of my favorite from my collection. They're 3D mink lashes, so easy to apply, and they last for forever. I've been using this pair for like, I don't want to say it, but like a month now, because you can get 35 wears out of them. I'm just applying it with some regular L'Oreal glue from the beauty supply store, nothing fancy. So now I'm going in with this mascara that I also got from Target. It's called W7 Showing Out Mascara. I don't know what this brand is or what, but listen, I love this mascara. It's so defining for your lashes and gives so much volume. It's in the color Blackest Black. And now I'm lining my waterline with the Laura Geller Eye Care Waterproof Eyeliner in white. It's called Eye Brightener, so it's not like a quote-unquote white eyeliner, but you can use any eyeliner you want. And I'm just going to go back in with that mascara to darken up these bottom lashes. And I am just combing out my hair. This hair is the loose wave hair from Different Type of Dope. I have it in 24, 26, 28, 30, and a 20-inch closure. It's loose wave, so I'm trying to like get some of the waves out, but I'm not trying to get it bone straight because I don't have time. I was actually running out of time. And I'm using this Remington flat iron. It's actually discontinued, but it's my favorite flat iron in the world. It gets your hair straight as hell with just 1 or 2 passes, and that's all you need. That is all you need. And I'm just putting some light curls at the end of my hair, nothing crazy. I have this part really sped up because I didn't really try to get my hair perfect. I just wanted it to look, wavy with a little curl at the end. That was the look I was going for. And I'm just going to flat iron all around. I'm trying to get the roots to not look so wavy. And that's all I'm doing is just flat ironing and putting some light curls in my hair. Now I'm just lining my lips with the NYX Nutmeg Lip Liner. I love this color. It's so freaking cute. It reminds me of Spice by MAC, but better, in my humble opinion. I'm just lining my lips and defining my Cupid's bow because, Cupid's bows make you double sexy. So I'm just filling in my bottom lip and around my top lip. That's all. And then I'm using my favorite motherfucking liquid lipstick in the world. And that is Plush by J. Page Beauty. Listen, okay, I went to a steakhouse, a whole steakhouse, and listen, didn't budge. Through the drinks, through dessert, through freaking appetizer, through the meal, I left with my lipstick looking just like that. And now I'm just gonna reline the outer edges, and you know, just to redefine the lip liner. I learned this trick from MUA at MAC. Just go back around your lip liner, and your lipstick, and redefine the liner. Here I go being a bird. I'm just gonna add my earrings that I got from the beauty supply store, girl, for $5.99, and then I'm going to spray the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Set and Spray Makeup Extender, and yeah, I'm done. Now, as I told you guys, I was in a rush, so I didn't get a chance to film this part, but here's my outfit. My boots are from Just Fab, my jacket is from Boohoo, and my sweater dress is also hair from Different Type of Dope. Go check that out, y'all. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you liked it, make sure you like it, subscribe, and share this video, and leave your comments down below if you have any questions on anything in this video, or if you have any requests or suggestions for what I should do in my next video. Throw them ideas down there in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.